Bonna and I'm back again with another physics lesson. In today's video, we will learn about density. So keep on watching this video to learn new things about density and how to find density of different objects. So without any further ado, let's get started. Density is how much mass there is in a given volume. So to know density, we have to know two things, mass and volume. Mass is a measure of the amount of matter or substance in a body, and volume is the amount of space that a substance or object occupies. So density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume. The density of solids is greater than the density of liquids, as in a given volume the amount of mass is greater in solids. So the density of solids is greater than the density of liquids. Similarly, the density of liquids is greater than the density of gas. The SI unit of density is kg per meter cube. As we know that density is defined as mass per unit volume, therefore the formula to find density is density equals to mass divided by volume. In symbols, density is represented by rho, which looks like this, equals to mass. Mass is small letter m divided by volume, which is capital letter V. And the units are, for density is kg per meter cube, for mass it's kg, and for volume it's meter cube. If we have density and volume, we can find the mass. To find mass, we have to multiply density with volume. If we have the mass and density, we can also find the volume by dividing mass divided by density. Let's learn how to determine the density of regular solids. First of all, by using an electronic balance, we will find the mass of the regular shaped object. And then we will use vernier caliper and rulers to find the length, breadth and height for shapes like cubes and cuboids, or diameter and height for shapes like cylinder, sphere, etc. And then we will calculate the volume by using the formula to find volume for that specific object. And some formulas are given in the description box below, you can check that out. And finally, by using the values of mass and volume, we will use the formula rho equals to m by v to find the density of that regular shaped object. Now let's learn to determine the density of irregular solids. So first of all, we will use an electronic balance to find the mass of the irregular shaped object. Secondly, we have to find the volume. However, this time there is no specific formula to find the volume. So in order to find the volume, firstly we have to half fill a graduated cylinder with water, which will be our initial volume. And then we will add the irregular solid in the graduated cylinder. And as expected, the water level will rise. And this will be our final volume. And then we can easily determine the volume of the irregular shaped object by subtracting the initial volume from the final volume. Finally, we will use the value of mass and volume in the formula rho equals to m by v to find the density of the irregular shaped object. That will be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. If you have anything to say, just comment down below and we'll try to respond as soon as possible. Bye!